We are back with another home renovation update, and today we are cleaning the grout lines and getting ready for grout. I know there's fancy tools for all this, you know, cleaning all the mortar out of the grout lines, but we just use screwdrivers and they work just fine for us the day after, just kind of chipping away at it. You see Maverick is down here helping me clean out all that. So basically, sometimes the mortar will squeeze up between the tiles like that, and we want them nice and clean like this so that you can put the grout in. You getting it? You want help? Let me try. We're getting it. All I do is I put the screwdriver in and I kind of turn it a little. I don't put a lot of pressure, but I just scrape it sideways. And then I turn it the other side. You know, scrape it this way, scrape it that way. Watch out. I'll do this one. These are porcelain tiles. They're very durable, very strong. I probably wouldn't do this on a natural stone or anything that's going to chip really easily. These can chip easily, but if you're careful, they're pretty tough. I also take this chance to clear out these cracks between the wall and the tile to make sure I have my expansion gap. He's more than helping. He went to the bucket and got this out of the bucket himself and started scraping.
Wow.
Let's both dab at the same time.
I don't dab.
As you guys can see, Ashley got the floor cleaned up nice. I think all the grout lines are clear. So, we're ready to start putting the grout in. Or at least he is ready. Right? Get up here. Yeah, so the grout, we actually just mixed it up. It's sitting in the bucket. It takes about 10 minutes to rest. Then you gotta remix it and then we can start putting it on. This part is gonna be really quick, I anticipate. It's just smearing it in all the cracks and then we're done. So there it is, the grout is ready and we're gonna start applying it. Okay. Let me take the bucket behind me. Really work it into the cracks, make sure it's set down all the way and I'm a little bit behind schedule, but we are cleaning the excess grout off the tiles now. And it's looking pretty good. Have to come back over some of this. You know.
It's always slow to start while I get into the flow. It's like ice skating. Every time you go ice skating, you gotta get used to it again.
Do you?
You gotta get your balance back and your flow.
We're working on Maverick's room and we thought we'd bring you guys along this time. As you can see, we switched from white paper to brown paper, and that's because we ran out of the white. So we used up all the white that we had left, and now we're just going with the good old-fashioned brown craft paper, which is going to be painted over anyway, so it's totally fine. So last night, we didn't show you finishing up the grout, but all I did was take some rags and buffed out the haziness off the tile. The rags work really well. Some of the stubborn spots, I still used the sponge to loosen it up, but just basically polished up the stone, the porcelain tile, and now look at it. It looks so awesome. It's clean, the grout is dry.
It's all done.
And we are ready to start bringing the washing machine back in here so we can get some laundry washed. But I just wanted to show you guys before we brought it in how it looked. Super happy with the grout color. Matches the tile really good. Happy with how it all looks, how it all came out. You can see it's kind of a, we chose I guess you'd call it a tan, beige grout.
Yeah. The designs in the tile aren't actually gray. They're more of like a beigey color, so we wanted to match that.
And it looks really good. So let's get the washing machine back in here. And this is going to be temporary again, just because we got to get laundry washed. But we're going to finish the drain on the floor later. We're going to also finish, you know, trim, paper, wall finishing, all that stuff. But for now, we're just sliding it in here and we'll work around it.
And lower it.
I'm keeping it off the ground with my feet.
It worked good.
Alright, washer is in, hooked up. I think we're ready to start doing laundry. Some people have asked about this dryer box and how it worked, and it's basically just a recessed box in the wall so that the dryer hose can come out of the dryer and just turn up, and it goes up this duct right here. So that's all there is to it. It's just so you can slide your dryer closer to the wall, because you can see if the dryer gets too close, the hose can get bent. So it just gives the hose a place to go. Now that we're done with the hallway floor, I can finally get to a project that I've been waiting for, and I'm pretty excited about, and that's getting the door on this closet. If I can get this closet finished, that's going to mean more storage space and more organization in our house. When your house is under renovation, organization is so important, and we're lacking it right now. Hopefully we can start making use of this closet and clean up the house a little more. Ash, I forgot how to install the door.
Why?
I don't know. I just don't know where to begin.
Wow.
Got my bucket of shims. Got my tools. I think I'm going to be able to get this door installed pretty easily. I kind of like to take the door off the hinges and install the frame first. That's just the way I do it. I do like to put it in first just to see where the door has to go. Let me see how this is looking. I think I got it. Closes squarely, evenly, looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and cut off all these shims and then we'll be done with it. The door is done. You want to check it out?
Cool. So do we like it wood or do we want it white?
So the door's in and it looks awesome, and I've been looking at it for a few minutes trying to decide how I want to finish it. Before I installed it, I was sure I was going to paint it white. That was the plan. I wanted a white door because I wanted the end of the hall to just look clean and kind of blend in and have a lot of light. But after seeing it installed, I kind of like the wood. I'm almost afraid to paint it. I'm not really sure what I want to do. Ashley said she wants to leave it wood tone. I want to know what you guys think. Would the door look better white or wood tone? As it is right now, I think we're leaning toward the wood tone, just keeping it natural. It goes well with the house. We're going to have the pine trim around everything. I think it looks pretty good. I can't believe that we actually got the room finished, 100% finished tonight as far as papering goes.
Yeah.
If you guys are just joining our channel, this won't make any sense to you, but don't worry, it's not staying like this. We're going to be painting over it, and it's just something we're doing. We actually thought this was going to take a few more days.
At least 2, and we just got it all done.
Yep. Really happy with this. That means that tomorrow we can be painting, and then floor, trim, the room can come together really fast. So this is huge progress. We got the grout done, we got the washer back hooked up, we got the hallway closet door installed, and now a finished room, so I'm pretty happy with this.
Me too.
I'm still on the fence about that door. I don't know. We might just leave it wood, but I have a hard time. I'm afraid of oiling it. We've been using tongue oil on all of our trim, but I think the tongue oil is going to make the door collect dust. I could use a different clear finish.
Maybe.
We'll see.
Like shellac or something.
But we're just happy to be able to share all this progress with you and want to give you guys the update of what's going on around the house with the home renovation. Big steps forward.
Yeah.
So I guess we're going to end it here. I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.
Bye.